In this video, I'm gonna show you how to restart and power off Poco C75 without using power button. Go in settings, scroll down, go in additional settings, tap on accessibility, tap on accessibility menu, tap on this toggle to enable the accessibility menu shortcut. Now simply scroll down, tap on allow. As you can see, accessibility menu shortcut is showing now. I will simply tap on it, tap on power. Now here you get the two options, power off or reboot. If you want to restart your phone, then simply slide it down, or if you want to power off your phone, then simply slide it up like this. So this is how you can restart and power off Poco C75 without using power button. If this video helps you, like this video and subscribe to the channel.